Legends of Learning presents the Rational Gears game. This is a math game that makes learning about using number lines to rationalize inequalities fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, find stored treasure in an old gem factory. Travel using the moving platforms to get to your location to find the treasure. In this game by Zap Zap Math, compare numbers by using the greater than, equal to, and less than symbols and record the results of the comparison. Find hidden diamonds in a factory. Your goal is to select the correct gears by using your knowledge of comparing numbers. Use the mouse to drag and drop the correct inequality sign into the space provided. The correct answer will elevate you to the correct level and you will uncover the hidden diamonds. If your answer is incorrect, you will uncover a bomb and you'll have to start the level again. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.